Change is the only constant in healthcare. The demand for healthcare services is increasing, and we have an aging population. So the cost for healthcare is rising.
Today, healthcare system requires competencies that goes beyond the main clinical dexterities.
I think COVID was the ultimate test. Concepts, knowledge, research, recruitment of healthcare workers, everything was changing by the day. And so how are we going to communicate between each other to make sure everybody's coordinated?
All of this requires effective transformational leadership.
For the last 30 years, the Saudi Commission was responsible for equipping healthcare practitioners with the competencies needed to deliver their healthcare services. In the future, the health system will require a healthcare practitioner that would conduct leadership skills that should be embedded within its core curricula. This will require a lot of talent and a lot of competencies, and the HLA will be a great asset for that.
One of the biggest mandates that I was assigned to do during my tenure as Minister of Health is to lead a major transformation of the health sector, which will provide better access to health services and better quality. We discussed this challenge within the board, so it was a suggestion that we create an academy to cater for both developing of leaders and the development of the technical expertise that is needed for the transformation.
The Healthcare Leadership Academy offers a portfolio of programs covering every facet of leadership and management needed by healthcare leaders. We design and deliver world-class learning experiences, programs and journeys that are uniquely tailored based on local context while reflecting global perspectives. Our programs aim to provide skills and deep insights through immersive experiential learning, personalized coaching, and projects that address healthcare leadership challenges specifically, while providing social and networking opportunities needed for career growth.
Our role at HLA is to develop leaders who are capable of inspiring change and achieving transformational goals anywhere in the world. So HLA is healthcare focused. Our programs are evidence-based, and we cater for all professional levels, whether it's for emerging leaders, middle leaders, or even senior leaders. Over the past 2 years, we have provided over 26,000 learning hours, and we have reached out to almost 100,000 healthcare providers through our different initiatives and programs.
People sometimes confuse leadership with positions, right? Leadership is about influence. It's a critical role. When we train a CEO of a big hospital, it's different when we train a nurse, for example. How do you cater for learners' needs is a very difficult and complicated issue. And you need to document that you're having an effect, you're adding value to this environment. And then adapt and change according to what you're hearing and what you're listening to.
The Health Leadership Academy provides, in a multi-layer approach, different types of training that would equip healthcare practitioners with these needed skills. The health system now is working as an ambidextrous organization.
We have to really collaborate internally and externally with national and international bodies of all nature, similar academies, universities, healthcare sector. So collaboration is in the essence of what we do.
The Healthcare Leadership Academy prides on being part of the Saudi healthcare ecosystem. We partner with healthcare stakeholders in the governmental sector, in the private sector, all to enable the transformation and all to help deliver successful aims and strategic objectives of the Vision 2030.
One of the biggest challenges that we gave to the leadership of the Academy is to be one of the top 5 leadership academy in the world.
We aim to empower healthcare providers, engage them, and motivate them to become better leaders. We do this through our programs and offerings. This could be done in person in any part of the world or through our learning experience platform on a remote basis.
I would love for the Health Leadership Academy to be the house of knowledge that promote the change and promote the training, to produce material to teach the next generation of healthcare leaders. This is going to be a continuous mission. So I would like other leadership academies to come and learn from our experience in this academy. So not only producing the leaders, but also producing the science and education and training and research. We have to prepare the healthcare leaders for what's happening today, but we have to anticipate what's going to be needed for tomorrow.